Don't stop too fast.
We're stopping. Hold on.
He's naughty.
Is that one of my mulligans? Another one's called mulligans? Because it sounds like another one. Another one, mulligan. You hit a tree real solidly, Jim.
That was also to competition. Watch out for those pine trees. Renee.
Thank you. Yeah, I remember the time he had the table fixed so pretty. I got one. Down, we had 3 glasses not covered. I like it a lot. Excuse me.
Give your grandma a hug.
Give me a hug. I'm going to bring my flash. Is Marley working? Courtney. Marley has a oh, how beautiful. This is Courtney. Isn't that nice? That's beautiful. It's not great in here. Yeah, you could have done better than that. Can we take it out? Yeah. Take it out, Mom? Yeah, take it over there.
You don't want me to take another picture?
Yeah, but...
Oh.
Here, I'll take it.
Wow, what is this here?
That is a little cover. The lap blanket.
Oh, she's taking it out there now.
You want me to really make that?
Well, I mean, if you're going to be home at, 4 o'clock in the morning,
No, I won't be home at 4. Is that too late?
I told your dad and told me that.
What, you told me to come stop you?
No. Happy told me 15 minutes. You want me to do it for you? Yeah, shortly, but I didn't know what happened was when I told him 15 minutes. No, I say 5 minutes.
I couldn't do it, Dad.
If not, I can try.
I'm sorry. You just have to snap a couple pictures.
What?
Would you like to have it?
If not, when I get home,
You want that?
and when I get
Don't
home,
work that way.
down in Florida, if I haven't seen it, I
Ooh, some good victuals. Here's our famous, world famous cook. No, they said Linda was. They said Linda.
Wait, give me. Take film of me, please. Watch out, Mr. Neil. That was Neil.
I don't know what
Well, let me trying the VCR back on.
Oh, your switch in the back has to be turned.
Back and spin there.
Where did you turn the switch?
I did turn it. And it was on just a minute ago.
It was just on and no one was even near it. It blinked out.
Probably somebody messing with it back in the bedroom.
Yeah, that could be one of the kids might be.
Or when the film got finished rewinding, I bet you it knocked something. Here we go. Just turn this on, and it needs to be on channel 3.
Well, it was sort of interesting for a young man to come over and tell me.
Picture kind of floozy. It's a floozy picture.
Football game, is it over?
Wait a second.
No, that's the football
This is another one. Listen, this one's this the whole way down.
Oh,
This would be a lot better for you.
Here we have some thumbprints. Happy birthday to somebody special.
I think
Come back here and give some credit where credit's due.
Real good. They got into it. They were my alarm clock the other morning. They got into it in bed. Woke me up.
Oh,
The lady bit me by accident.
well, good.
Here's Mr. Brent Eshelman. He just about aced the SAT, and surely in one of his next 2 tries he will.
I don't know how sure it is.
1500. 10. 1510 or 1500.
But yeah, you got another thing to do one.
It's hard to get over the
We have not been with the dog the other day. We were thinking we But at home we have a Ford van now. A van. We have 57 Chevy Ford. Great car. So we're just keeping it. If I can afford it.
I'd like to get that cake, but I don't know how.
You have to get behind her. Okay. Grandma had her 75th birthday. Praise the Lord. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Yes, thank you, God.
Grandma, he wanted a picture of you blowing the candles out. Take it, and he'll take a picture.
Let me light it one more time. Let me light it one more time.
Take it.
Light them again.
Light it again. There you go.
Wait a minute. Get over there, Teddy. Get ready.
Jim, tell me when to blow. Here, Grandma, wait when you make a wish.
You got a good...
Or you blow them out and then you make a wish.
My wish came true. You kids all came
Well, make up another one. We're all here. Now let's go for one more. All right, one big blow.
Okay, you ready?
Inhale, blow it out.
Put something on my coat or something.
For me to tell you what you
Now, Grandma, let me ask you something. Do you want to cut cake, or would you like to take your throne and your oldest will take over?
My oldest makes
All right, you go take your throne and we'll still do the first piece of cake. I will find your oldest.
She's right here.
Where is our oldest?
Our oldest.
Next in line for the throne, park your butt right over here and take over. Oh!
Come and cut the cake.
Heir to the throne.
Well, you got 6 siblings that are going to tell you what you're about to do.
Heir to the throne.
I need a knife to do this. That takes
You'll be around one day cut cake. I said, I don't know who you cut cakes for, but I cut.
Grandma gets the first piece and she was like a small piece.
I'll become heir apparent to all the kiddos.
Stephen, where's Steve? That's the good thing, Daddy. He's the thing for the next thing because he's doing it.
Hey, Dad.
You only have one person. What do you know? Stephen?
Sure.
Stephen?
All the time to be something nice.
I'm not going.
You get to do the ice cream.
Oh, well, thank you. Here's all the time. Hey.
Here's the walking wounded.
Yeah. Not walking too good, though.
Not walking too good.
Is this what you're doing to keep from having to dig in the weeds? Sounds like a smart guy.
All right.
You knew Maurice was going to give in.
Now this is the kind of equipment you need to work in the yard. Atypical.
It's a winter board. When you walk by there, it would sound like a little kid. Because there was so much music inside that house. Yeah, me included.
Here's the Queen. Here's mighty Saint Thelma Eshelman. 75 years of seasoned grace.
Need what? Oh, there's one right there.
I know.
Okay. What are you doing?
Hallelujah. Are you sure you're supposed to get the lilies out of there?
Front porch.
I don't want to get it spread out too much on this grass here, but
Renee! 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 I'll trade with you.
Teddy. You got it in the fire. Teddy.